All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, December 19th, 2025, 9:23 a.m. Mountain Time. Market is a little bit happy today. Nasdaq is up 1%, Dow is up 0.5, S&P is up 0.7. Volume is much higher due to quadruple expirations and options and futures and stuff. So volume is really high. Um, yeah, it's good news because we up and we having volume to support it. We do see lots of stocks on the move today. You can see here. Let me jump to the index for a second. Let's go to the ETF for QQQ Nasdaq. So here we are seeing a bounce. Yesterday was a not the it's okay. It's okay bounce. Yesterday it was up 1.4% on Nasdaq, which was the strongest one. But this is Nasdaq 100 here. But today we actually trying to clear the green line and all the short-term moving averages. So that is really good news. So we do come back. Maybe we have a little Santa rally here. We'll see. Okay. Let's go to SPY. Again, prior to this recent you know pullback, Nasdaq was kind of the weakest, but today S&P is actually not as strong as the Nasdaq, um, but it's still trying to come near the 10-day right now. It'll be better if both of them can clear the 10-day decisively by end of day today, but I don't know if that will happen. Probably it'll just linger near the 10-day and then uh, you know see what happens next week. Intraday chart, it still looks good. Like it's trading mostly in the upper half of the day, so that looks good from that perspective. Let's look at Dow. Dow is also trading mostly in the upper half. Very tight trading range here. Um, I would have liked to see a bigger bounce, but that's the problem. It's not a bigger bounce again. That's the problem, I think. I would like to see a bigger bounce, but it's not showing that. So Dow and Russell, I don't know. It went from leadership to kind of taking a backseat a little bit lately. So I'm not sure why that is happening. So that's not a good sign. I'd rather see them also continue to take a leadership role, but it's not. So same thing with Russell here. It's just very it's trading mostly in the upper half of the day, so that's good. But it's just not not very powerful. Like I like to see a powerful bounce, but we're still not seeing that. Still trying to clear the near the 10-day zone, like in the previous few day highs here. So if we clear that and we come out, that would be a really good sign. Stocks on the move here. Let's see. I think we have MU, which is continue yesterday's run here. MU after the earnings report. So yesterday it did pull back intraday by the end of the day, but today we bounced back again and look like we make new highs. So that's very bullish. Um, so that's one of the tech stocks that's doing well. We have AVG Hole here. Let's see how that one is doing. This one, you can see the problem with a lot of the AI stocks is they have pulled back or corrected quite severely, and the bounce, yesterday and today, the bounce are really mediocre. It's just not a very good bounce, and to me, that is not a good sign. Again, we are starting to form this L-shaped pattern, and it could become like a stair step kind of downtrend, right? Which is not good. So that's the problem with some of the tech stocks still having problem bouncing back again. I like to see big bounce, but it's not happening. Uh, Merm, this one is a big. I'm not sure. There must be some news or something, but this is a big bounce today. Um, Bloom Energy, Monster Beverage. This one is bouncing today. Really tight base, tight flat uh few weeks consolidation here, and then it make new high, so that looks pretty good. Nvidia, let's take a quick look at Nvidia. Here's Nvidia. It's bouncing, but again, well, it's up 3%, but it's still near the short-term moving average. So, but another stock that is doing better is Palantir. So this one actually clear recent highs here and came out today. So we'll see if this works. This is a nice cup with handle pattern here. So we can hold strong and close even higher today. That'll be really bullish because it will set up for next week to continue its run here. So we'll see if that happens. TFPM here, LRCX, KNSA, KNSA. Okay, this one has reversed a little bit from this morning new high. So that's the only negative, but it did come out. So we'll see how it holds up throughout the day. We have app loving, also bouncing back recently. So here's the 2-day bounce so far, yesterday and today. Again, looks pretty good from a pattern perspective. Trading tight, finding support near the short-term moving average. APH, GS, Nasdaq, Palantir, Take-Two, Fix, Citigroup, VSAC, Tigo. Okay, so let's just quickly go over my list here. We have ADI bouncing. We'll talk about app, MU, Palantir, Monster. We talk about. We have CNX making a strong move today. GE, HWM, WOB, Tech on the industrial side. Again, we have KNC on the health side. NEM on the gold. Let's take a quick look at gold. Here's gold shares still trading really tight. Haven't come out yet, but it's a good thing that it's just digesting near the highs. So it's setting up for to break out, so that looks good. Um, and then on the financial side, we have BAC, JLL, Charles Schwab. Um, let's take a look at Charles Schwab here. So this one is trying to make a move today. Looks pretty good. It's a nice tight support here near the 10-day. If we come out of this previous high, will be very bullish. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'll come up with more videos on the weekend. Thank you for watching. Have a very good Friday and trading day. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.